Okay, so here we have the box break for the Topps Unrivaled, the eBay auction that ended Saturday, March 12th. And as you can see, the box is all sealed up. There's the serial number. And this is going to be my first box break, so bear with me here. I'll try not to take too long. Checklist. Okay, empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And there's 24 packs. And here we go. Good luck. Okay. We have a Percy Harvin, autographed rookie right off the bat. Sean Lee, Cowboys, numbered out of 480. Larry Fitzgerald, Roddy White, Greg Jennings. Okay, Jeremy Maclin, Steve Smith, Reggie Wayne, Mike Simmons Walker, Chris Johnson. Thomas Jones, Jonathan Stewart, Taylor Price, rookie to 999 Patriots, Jonathan Vilma, Joseph Adai. Braylon Edwards, LaShawn McCoy, Chris Johnson, gold, numbered to 759, Michael Crabtree, Mike Wallace. Hakeem Nicks, Earl Campbell, numbered to 499. Like a classic card, I guess. Kellen Winslow, Jared Allen, Jamal Charles. Frank Gore, Fred Jackson, Beanie Wells, Donald Brown, Phillip Rivers. Rashard Mendenhall, Randy Moss. Got a, looks like a gold card, Braylon Edwards, numbered to 499. Clinton Portis and Ricky Williams. Steve Slayton, Ronnie Brown, Dwayne Bowe, Tony Gonzalez, Mark Sanchez. Marcus Colston, Antonio Gates, Dwayne Bowe, gold to 499. Steve Smith, Chad Henne. Hey, we got Asamoah, Donovan McNabb, got a Raider, another Asamoah, number to 999, Jerome Harrison, and Hines Ward. Ray Lewis, Sidney Rice, Ryan Grant, Felix Jones, Maurice Jones-Drew. Jay Cutler, Ray Rice, Matt Schaub, Matthew Stafford, Brian Urlacher. Brett Favre, Pierre Garçon, Sam Bradford rookie card, number to 999. Alright. Sante Samuel and TJ Huzmazada. Tom Brady, Vince Young, Vernon Davis, Vincent Jackson, Aaron Rodgers. Kevin Cobb, James Laurinaitis, John Beeson, Andre Johnson, Dallas Clark. Reggie Bush, Troy Polamalu, an Asamoah gold card numbered to 759. Got a few of him already. Darrelle Revis, Carson Palmer. Joe Flacco, Brandon Marshall, Tony Pike rookie card, Panthers, $9.99. Patrick Willis, Deshaun Jackson. Must be saving the other hits to the end. Brent Selleck, Calvin Johnson. We've got a Donovan McNabb number to 99. Alright. Peyton Manning, Drew Brees. Cedric Benson. Alright, here we go. We've got a Anthony Dixon rookie autograph to 680 Niners. Alright. Justin Forsett, Chris Cooley, Darren McFadden. Brandon Jacobs, Chad Ochocinco, D'Angelo Williams, Michael Turner, O'Shawn Marino. Adrian Peterson, Tony Romo, Golden Tate rookie card to 499 Seahawks, Santana Moss, and Ryan Grant. Ray Lewis, Sidney Rice, Clinton Portis gold to 759. It's a thicker card there. Felix Jones, Maurice Jones-Drew. Pierre Thomas, Anquan Bolden, Eli Manning, Lee Evans, Miles Austin. Last pack. This is going to have the big hit. So, here we go. Let's make it suspenseful here. Steven Jackson, Matt Forte, Sean Green, Matt Ryan, and the Texans, Ben Tate. Rookie autograph patch, number 249. Alright. Alright, that's it. Went by pretty quick. Let me know how I did. I'll be mailing these out probably by Tuesday, Wednesday at the latest. They'll all be in bubble mailers, taken care of. And I do already have a box of SPX in hand that I'll be starting for next weekend. I'll be putting that on eBay on Monday. So watch my site and we'll do another one of these next week. Alright, thank you.